I'll eat quickly, then leave.
Your Highness, after this egusi and pounded yam, we'll see.
This is extraordinary. Thank you, Shefa.
My pleasure, Your Highness. For rich egusi soup, don't rush your ingredients. Fresh meat, good stock fish, dry fish, crayfish, and palm oil will carry the flavor. Step 1. Boil your meat first. The stock from the meat is the foundation of your soup. Do not pour dry egusi straight into the pot if you want a smooth result. Mix it into a paste first so it's evenly. Let the pepper fry until the raw smell reduces. This is where the soup starts building character. Crayfish gives aroma. Stockfish gives depth. Dry fish gives that traditional taste. Stirring slowly. Add your egusi gently and allow it to set for a few minutes before stirring. This helps it form nicely instead of scattering too quickly. Now, stir to combine. Vegetables go in last so they stay fresh and don't overcook. For smooth pounded yam, your yam must be properly soft before pounding. Pound, fold, and pound again, no lumps. Smooth, stretchy, and soft.
Chef A carries the tray to the prince. The prince takes a bite. He pauses. Everyone watches.
Driver. Yes, Your Highness. Unload the bags. I'm not traveling today.
So this is the food that cancelled the journey? And this is only lunch.